What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. And in today's video, as you can see, we're doing oil changes.
Today we are working on oil changes. As you can see, it takes a lot of stuff to work on a big disc. So we'll get started here soon.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Alright, so now we're working on the 2009 Nissan Altima. Let's get under here and pop the hood. Gonna do the same thing, locate your oil filler cap. Yeah, put some on. Okay, your oil fill cap. Here's where your dipstick is, sits right here, the housing, and your oil fill cap. And pour your oil in right here at this point. You just loosen it up. What we're going to do is we're going to jack up this vehicle so we can get under it and change the oil on this. Lower your jack down slowly onto the stand. And then you can just leave your jack there for extra security measures. This is your black sump pan right here, your oil pan. And right here is the oil drain bolt. Right there, see it? That's your oil drain bolt. And then on this side, you have your transmission over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our wrench, we're going to get our oil pan, set it all up, drain it here, and our oil filter is sitting right here. I don't know if you can see that. Right here's our oil filter. And we're going to take that off as well. Drain this all up, put new oil in it. My son's going to do this one. This is his vehicle. It's a little rusty, a little old, but it's a good first vehicle and saves him on gas money. Alright, so we're down here now. Now he's going to pull the plug out of the pan and have the oil start draining. Just really use it by hand now. Just really get your hand in there. Loosen it up. And just let it drain. And we're going to replace the oil filter. On this one, the oil filter is all the way back there by the tire. I'm going to try to get you a good shot here.
Put it upside down?
Yep, put it upside down inside the pan. You just let it sit there and drain out. Where's your paper towel at so you can clean up?
Up there.
Alright, get your paper towel. Clean up a little. Get your oil pan bolt out so we can clean that up as well. How you change the air filter on a 2009 Nissan Altima. Just two little tabs. Pulls right out. Out here where we live, there's a lot of sand on the road, so there's sand everywhere in here. So again, clean it up really nicely. Try to avoid getting stuff down here into this bellows. And then all he has to do is to pull the air filter out is just grab it right here and pull it right out. Look at that, not too bad. This one's not too bad. But we're going to go ahead and throw a new one in there. So just make sure you clean this all up over here. Clean it all up so you get rid of all the sand and everything. Clean up inside. Take a look inside. Clean that all up so it's not so dirty like that. Again, you can use a shop vac or air. Just take the time, make sure everything's cleaned, because like I said earlier, vehicles are expensive, and if you take care of them, they will take care of you. Okay, so we just removed the housing so you guys can see it easier, so you see that it's all nice and clean. We cleaned it all up down there as well. Now he's going to put the new air filter in. And then he's going to replace the housing right back to where it belongs. You got to make sure that the bottom gets in, clipped in on the bottom first, and then the top. So there's those little prongs right here, look. See those little prongs right there? They sit there and there. So you gotta make sure you go in like this and then in. So this way, everything goes in correctly. You're not in again.
Oh, it sounded like it went in.
Okay, try that. Okay, just push them on. So now he's just cleaning off the oil pan bolt, and then he's going to go back down there and reinstall it in, and then he'll clean up all the area where the oil filter was at, make sure all the oil's cleaned up there, and then he's also going to check to see if there's a rubber seal that's stuck up there on the oil filter housing, because you don't want to double seal it. Okay, now quarter inch turn from where you just were. Alright, so make sure everything's clean. Then we're going to go get the oil filter and we're going to reinstall it again right here. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys fill them up with oil or you put them on dry. Alright, now that we have it filled with oil, we're going to get some of the oil that was on the rim, put it on our glove, and just go around the gasket. Leaving that gasket up. So he's going to go down there now and he's going to clean up around the housing of the oil filter where it sits, and then he's going to make sure that there is no old oil rubber seal stuck onto the engine block. Move it back so you can see. That's it right there. And as you can see, he's cleaning it up right now, and there is no rubber seal there, so he's going to wiping that down. He's going to get the new oil filter and stick it on.
Alright.
Yep, that's it. Alright, so now he has it seated there, and now he's going to turn it just a quarter turn from there. And then he's going to wipe it down one more time. Just make sure everything's nice and clean. Alrighty, the oil plug's already in. The oil filter is in. Let's go on top. Okay, so he's gonna go grab a funnel, and then he's gonna come back over here and he's gonna start filling it up with oil. Now that everything's all buttoned up down there, we're coming up here and we're gonna put the oil in.
How much, all of it?
All of it. Okay, put the lid on it. And then we'll throw the oil filler cap back in. Just like that.
Is there any need to check it?
Huh?
Is there any need to check it?
Yeah, we gotta start it up and then we check it. Alright, so that's what we have on the odometer. She is running. Let's go check the oil. So now that we ran the vehicle, we're going to pull the dipstick out. We're going to clean it off. Going to put it back in. Pull it out again, and he's going to check it this time. Make sure it's full. So you guys can see there, he's right on the money. Clean the oil up that you made a mess there.
Is it?
So that's it for this one, guys. I appreciate you coming along with us while my son changes oil on his car. Please hit the like and subscribe button down below if you found this video entertaining. Leave us some comments. Let us know what you guys do different. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, so what we do here is we just reuse the old oil jugs and then we just fill them up from our oil pan. And then this way we could take them into any auto parts store and they'll be able to recycle the oil for you. Make sure you recycle your oil accordingly and just don't throw it down a drain. Reuse, reduce, recycle. Thanks for watching.